Then, after the traction, let's look at some other parts of the train system. So, also there is a high-speed car body technology because the speed of the train is faster than the original train, so we can't use the original design of the train, right? So let's look at the original design. Yeah, you look at this. This is the general train. So it's hard to get to 300 km per hour. It can only run at 100 km per hour. So to get to this speed, there are many technologies. For example, the light-weight technology. So how can we make a lightweight for the car body to increase the speed? We can use some new materials, right? We can use some new presses. The new processes means that in the factory we use some new process engineering process to make this body. So also we can changing the car body structure, right? We don't want all these things. We just need to have a very simple design, very simple design. So we need to optimize the structural design and do some modularization and integration. So the shape technology actually is very complex. It's a mathematical problem. We need to analyze the resistance. We need to analyze many things. And also the car body sealing technology. Yes, the sealing is also very important for the EMU train. Except for the body is very important, but inside the body is also important. So the supporting facilities, we can see inside the car body. There are many subsystems. They are also very different from the old trains. The old train, it has a window, right? Like look at this is it's a good example. We can look at the window is open. It also has the air conditioning, but the air conditioning is only for the temperature. It's only in the summer it can lower the temperature, but that's all. That's only you can see they open the window. But in a 300 km per hour train, the EMU train, we can't open the window, right? If we open the window, we can't open the window. So it needs a good air conditioning system to move the air from the outside into the train. In this train, we can only change the air through the window, but in the EMU train we can't do that. So we need a very good air conditioning system. And also stool collection device, right? And the door is very different from this door. This door is very simple. It's not hard. And the window, yeah, we talk about the window, right? The windshield, and also the hook and buffer device, and the collecting device, and the power supply system, and the interior decoration material, I see. So there are many sporting facilities. We can't explain it one by one, but we can look at some very important one. The first one is the air conditioning system. Yeah, we talked it before. In the old general train, the air conditioning is only for the temperature in the summer, right? But yeah, you can see all this window is open, but this new air conditioning system, it can clean it of air in the train. We don't need to open the window. We just, like the air conditioning system, it's a outside cycle to change the air from the outside and the inside. And also other air conditioning system, it can change the temperature in the train, no matter in the summer or in the winter. And also an important one is the humidity in the train. It can also give some water, and the airflow rate in the train. That's all the thing we need to consider. And this collection device, this is also totally different from the old general train. Yeah, because the high-speed EMU train is a fully enclosed. It's a fully closed system, right? It's not open. You may talk about what is the open system. So what is the open collection device? You can see in the old general trains, the collection is thrown out of the train. I mean it can, yes, there is some things we can just throw it outside the train. But in the high-speed EMU train, it adopts a fully enclosed deification collection system. Obviously, because it's very we can't connect it to the outside because the speed is too fast. So we can't just to flushing it and throw it out. We need to stock it, right? So the water in the water tank enter the toilet bowl for flushing, and then it's discharged into the dirt tank. After the train stops, the dirt in the dirt box is treated regularly. So it's when the train get to a stop, so it's thrown out, right? It's not in the running, because in the general train it's thrown out when the train is running. So then let's talk about the seat system. The EMU passenger, the compartment seats are an important facility to provide the passenger with comfort. So mainly, the most important thing is comfort, right? So why it's so important? Because in the traditional trains, the passengers has many time to walk or get outside the train, but in the EMU trains, they spend most of their time traveling in the cabin on their seats. So they all the time is inside this train. It's on this seat. So the system is very important. It has many space. It's many space for the. Yes, we can look at this seat. It has many space for the legs, right? So the system is very important. So after we talk about the sporting facilities, it's all totally different from the traditional trains, and not only for the speed but also for a higher standard for the feeling, for comfort, and so on. So Then let's look at the EMU system. We can see in China there is 8 trains for a system, and 2 of this system, 16 trains, 16 cars can, the biggest size is 15